Hi, this is cartoonist Dan Lietha, and today's look at my studio is a little different. In fact, the point of this video is to look at my studio, but I don't want to show you my back wall yet that I usually show in the videos that I produce, because there's something secret about that wall. In fact, it's got some artwork on it now that I haven't had ever. In the history of my career, I can't think of any artwork that I've hung on my wall. I've had some on t-shirts and things like that, but never displayed on my own wall until yesterday. And then I got a new piece in the mail today. So I'm going to do an unboxing of one of those pieces of artwork. And but this is a look at my studio that you usually don't get to see. And there's my little assistant Shadow. And we've got a table set up next to the window, next to my my art desk, my computer desk. So little Shadow sits here sometimes and looks out the window and barks and stuff like that. So, but anyway, so let's get to the unboxing, and I can tell you some more about my artwork that I'm hanging on my wall. Here is the beauty that arrived just today. Actually, I got one yesterday that's up on my wall right now, but I'll show that one after I open this video. And I never thought I would ever do an unboxing video, so you'll have to bear with me as I am doing this for the first time. And the first one opened up pretty fast, so this won't be too hard to wait through, because there it is, it's open. Voila. Now to unveil which cartoon of mine this is. And it is the Truth Jabs. It's the Truth Jabs cartoon with Eve in the Garden of Eden. Take out the plastic wrapper bag, and there it is. Beautiful. Very nicely done. It's on a canvas, and if you turn it around, it's got like a wood boxy frame type of thing that it's stretched out upon, and then they give you the ability to hang it horizontally or vertically. So there it is. And like I said, I don't have too much. Well, I don't have any artwork hanging on my walls until yesterday. And for my whole career, I've really not had anything of mine hanging on the walls, which I think is odd for most artists. But anyway, I'm going to hang this on the wall, and I'll be right back. All right, here they are, both hanging on my wall, and it looks really cool to have some of my own artwork up on my wall. It's a different thing for me. So there's the one that just arrived today. It's Truth Jabs number 101, I think. Let me get a better look at that. Yeah, 101. And I have the number right above my name in every one of the cartoons. So if you're wondering which cartoon, just look for where my name is, and there's a number right by it, and that's how I identify my cartoons. And then this one right here was done around election time. So this is one that I thought would be popular. I've got it up online, so you can order a print of it. So far, as of this recording, no one's ordered any prints, but people have inquired about it. So hopefully at some time somebody will ask for a print of that particular cartoon, which I really like myself. It's one of my favorite ones. So, but anyway, there's my wall, and now when you see me record videos, there's the bookshelf and all my stuff on my. It's kind of a mess when I don't record, but here's a look at some of my art studio. But there's my back wall. Now it has some of my artwork on it, so those things should be seen when I record my videos from now on. So, all right. Love it. See ya. So there they are, hanging up on my back wall, just like I said. So it's really exciting that I can have something that people can look at in the back of my own. Blank walls have been the way that I've been for years and years and years. So it's really nice to have something on my walls. Now, my challenge to you is, are there any cartoons that I've done in the past that you would like to have hanging on your wall? Because of the way the internet is, and there's different print on demand places that I can send files to, I could at least provide you a way to get some of these. You could purchase them online. So what cartoons in the past have I done that you would want to do this type of thing with? Now, I have to specify that I can't provide all artwork that I've done in the past. Anything from Answers in Genesis, that's kind of a no-go. I can't do that. So if it's something for Reasons for Hope or Biblical Science Institute, pick from those ministries. Go back and take a look online. I'll put the links below to help you do that. And then if you want any of those particular cartoons, give me a little bit of time, but I'll put those up on some stores online, and then you can at least have the option to purchase those and put those up on the wall. Now, these are canvas. The reason why I wanted these done this way is because I was doing a video a while back. Well, it was a video interview with Eric Hovind, which is going to be posted online in the next month or two. And so I put something back there because I have bare walls, and the glass that was on that frame reflected because I have lights in front of me to illuminate my face. So the reflection back there didn't work, so I had some canvas things, so I put those up, and I thought, oh, that works really well. I should have some of my own artwork, so that's why I've gone ahead and done this. So I like it so much, I think I might do some more. So let me know which cartoon files you would like to have up on maybe your wall. So that would be great. I'd love to start doing that sort of thing. So thanks for watching, and let me know. Thanks.